Hello Weavers in Africa and around the world. It's your favorite analyst and trader, T Weavers. In this episode, we'll be talking about technical analysis. Welcome to Trading with T Weavers. Yes, and without wasting too much time, let's dive into chart pattern. You see, all this chart pattern always repeats itself when we trade on our charts. So I'm going to go in from the reversal pattern, which is double top, head and shoulder pattern, rising wedge, double bottom, inverse head and shoulder, falling wedge, continuation pattern, falling wedge, bullish rectangle, bullish pennant, rising wedge, bearish rectangle, bearish pennant, bilateral pattern, ascending triangle, descending triangle, symmetric triangle. So all these charts always showcase themselves in our charts. And lest I forget, kindly follow all our social media handles from TikTok at t.weavers, Instagram at Weavers, YouTube Weavers Club 369, and the rest. X Weavers Club _TN. So without wasting too much time, we're on a monthly time frame. Yes, top down analysis, you have to chart from the top to bottom. Use from the bigger time frame to the lower time frame, where market makers actually watch out for. Here I have the RSI, the one that measures bullish divergence and hidden bullish, bearish divergence and hidden bearish, and I have the ordinary RSI here, and this is the monthly time frame, and I'm using Bitcoin as a case study. So I'm going to start with the trend line. I'm going to take it from the top. Make sure you always have multiple touch zones. Yes, have multiple touch zones. That is when you know you have a solid price action charting. Yes, so if you look at this zone, you see that we have multiple touch zones. Excuse me. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to delete this as an example. You might not see everything at once, but as you practice, you'll be able to get it. So now I'm going to look for other zones that is within the recent trading that has the same multiple touch zone. So as you can see from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's valid, and this is an inverse head and shoulder from the charting that I just showed you. Inverse head and shoulder, you're going to measure from the top to the body, just the body alone, top to bottom. So price action, I think it should be around 130, 129k. So we'll move down to 1 week, which one candle represents 1 week. So these are long term. So we're actually being stopped in one major resistance. So we are going to also draw here and draw here. So we have support and resistance. So for higher time frame, I like to draw from the body, and from lower, I like to draw from the week. So we have about 6 here, and we have about 9 here, 2 or 10. So you're going to go to 1 day time frame. So you only want to be sure if price closes below this angle, then you can decide to short, or price goes above this angle, you can decide to buy. But if you are an intraday trader or a short-term trader and you want to take this trade, you go lower. This is a daily time for 1 week time frame. Let's go to 1 day. On 1 day, we'll still look for, okay, where are the trend line with, where are the places in multiple touch zone. I found one here, so we are going to draw it too. So you only want to trade this breakout to be sure. As an experienced trader, you either trade breakout or I trade support and resistance on larger time frame. That way I secure myself properly. So this is it. For short-term trader, you can decide to go and see where you want to take the trade. So you want to take the trade either here at the support or here at this zone where there's huge demand. So thank you for sticking by. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. And for my students, make sure you bomb me with questions. Thanks for your